Hey guys, it's Wanda from Crazy Days. Today we're going to do a little bit about foraging. I used to do these videos all the time. I'd go outside, I would see what I had fresh, bring it in, and make a salad. First off, I went out to my green stalk and I took all the lettuce out. Now, I put it in this bag, and I'm going to show you what type of bag it is in a minute, and I vacuum sealed it down because lettuce will stay crisp and good for 2 to 3 weeks in this bag if you keep the air out. So I can open it up. It has a Ziploc bag at the top. I can open it, take out 2 or 3 pieces of lettuce, seal the Ziploc back, and vacuum seal it. It's called a save sealer. This little gadget right here, I bought it from online. It just sits on there and it pulls the suction and it vacuums out the air. It comes in 2 sizes. This is a large bag. This is the small one, a quart and a gallon, called a save sealer. I've been experimenting with the save sealer for about a month or 2, and it seems to keep cookies and stuff fresher. I've used a lot of the quarts for cookies, but I'm liking it for my veggies because this way I can have my lettuce for a while, because this was the last of the lettuce in the green stalk. I took it all out because it was fixing to bolt. So I can eat lettuce for several days. Then I took out one of the chard, or chard, whichever way you want to say it. I cut up the stem and the leaf for my salad. I went out to the greenhouse. I had a few radishes. I had a few beans. And yes, I put beans in my salad. I found outside the greenhouses, we have garlic chives. So I picked a few of those. We have mulberries coming in, so I'm going to add a few of those. Inside the greenhouse was my onion chives. We're adding that. Then we had asparagus in Danny's greenhouse, and in our backyard we have an asparagus bed. So I'm adding asparagus. The greenhouse on the back of the barn has moringa in it, and moringa is a big superfood. So I'm adding moringa leaves to it. I also have Malabar spinach in that greenhouse. So I picked some of the leaves, and then I picked some of the flowers. Isn't that awesome? Just adds a little crunch to your salad. We have red clover. You ever added red clover? You can break it up in little pieces or eat it as is, whatever. It's really good, healthy superfood added to your salad. And then we have violet leaves. I usually like to add some of the violet flowers because I like color in my salad. You see how colorful this salad's going to be? It's going to be beautiful. And I like color, so I would add the violets. But I don't have any flowers right now, so I'm going to settle for the leaves. You don't have to have lettuce, guys. You can eat anything you have available. Hence the green beans. They give it a little crunch because I don't have any cucumbers or anything like that. Berries give it a tang. Amazing when you add berries. When our huckleberries come in, I had huckleberries to my salads. Just wonderful. So all of these can be added to a salad, and you've got a beautiful salad. And the lettuce, oh man, we're ready to eat. This is not trying to sell you a save sealer. I'm just saying that's what I bought on, I think it was on Facebook I saw them. And I thought it was pretty cool, so I tried it. And so far, it has worked very well. You can clean these bags out and reuse them. That's one thing I'm liking about it. And I'm not trying to sell you one. I'm just showing you that so far it's working. And guys, look at that pretty salad. We're going to put it together. We're going to have lunch and add a little roast to it maybe. Doesn't that sound good? So if you go outside, look and see what you have. Think outside the box for your salad. It doesn't have to be lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, pickles, onions. It can be asparagus. It can be all these things that I have here and more. There are flowers galore in the springtime, and you can add usually the leaves and the flowers. Just always check before you start eating. Thank you guys from Crazy Days.